Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Kalisi Sonyuchi and I make videos on tech and how to make money on the internet. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to qualify for AZCoiner Airdrop. So if you don't know anything about the AZCoiner or you've heard about it but you don't really understand what it's all about and how to qualify for the AZCoiner Airdrop, please watch this video till the end and follow all my instructions and get yourself qualified for this airdrop. It's really going to be big. But please, before you continue, subscribe to my channel and enable notification, like and share this video to others. Then if you're yet to create an account, just check through the description section of this video. I will be dropping the link there, so you can click on the link and proceed with account creation. Alright, so what you have to do every 24 hours, you open the app and then you click on connect, just like I have done here. Alright, then this ad will display for just a few seconds, so you can click on skip video. So guys, after clicking on connect, you can see the countdown here at the top right hand side. So once the 4-hour session elapses, you'll have to open the app again and click on connect to continue mining the AZC coin. Right, so the next thing you are expected to do to qualify for this airdrop is to always check when KYC will be available, so that you do your KYC. So to check when KYC will be available, you have to click on this menu button by the top left hand side. You have to click on this button from time to time and click on utilities. Right, you have to click on utilities. Now click on KYC. So you have seen what they said, right? You will receive an invitation when one become available. That means the KYC is not available yet. So you have to always follow these steps to find out when KYC is available, so that you do your KYC in advance and wait for the airdrop. So guys, this is one of the biggest mining apps that I can tell you about. So I would urge you guys to take it seriously, as you are really going to earn something reasonable from it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe, and click on the bell icon to enable notifications, so that whenever I upload a video, you will be the first person to know. Please like and share this video too. Thank you.